What's up, traders? Going one for one, kind of. Let's get to it. Alright, traders, so just the one trade on surf today. You can see it here. It was kind of a mess. Previous resistance was Friday's high. We're going to zoom in here so we can see the trade a little bit better. Just a little bit of FOMO coming out of the weekend. Saw the $0.50 come up. It made a decent move at the bell to get above that $0.50. Saw it started the jiggle. You can see I even was a little skeptical about getting in. I ended up waiting till it started to come down. Wanted to just look for that scalp underneath the $0.50. However, basically got in at the bottom of that attempt at retesting the $0.50, and it shot back up. Got an ad. We were barely green, but we were green here, just barely. And I didn't take anything off, and that was kind of my mistake because we did go high of day. I wouldn't say this was, consolidated enough for me to cut the position, hence I didn't. However, I did probably add a little bit too close here, looking for 8. I did a half of the 2, so it was a 1-1-1-1, but it was essentially 1-1-2. I just didn't want to get the full ad under 8. But I didn't also want to miss an ad just in case this ended up being some sort of fake out breakout and then our average was kind of crap. So ended up getting that, and then it ended up going higher. We got one more ad after it kind of made this top here at 825, and I said if it goes back high of day, we're going to have to cut half because I was starting to get pretty close to the max loss. We were at, I think we were down a little over 150, maybe like 160, and max loss is 200. So if this would have pushed to 850, pretty much would have been done. However, that's why I cut half of it as it broke this high of 825, just in case it wanted to run up towards 850 and maybe died. It might have given us one chance to kind of add as close to that 850 as we could, assuming that would have been the top, to get those shares back as close to our max loss as possible. Obviously hoping that the trade came back down, but quickly realized this was a fake out, added those shares back about 6 cents lower than where I covered them. And it came down, and we made all of that realized loss back, which I think was like $70. I think we made like 50 of it back on the first cover, and then we started covering a little bit more. I think we took a little bit more than half of our position on the first one, and then we took, I think it was 300 of the 500 shares we ended up with, and then 100, and then I took 50 and 50. There's actually 4 covers, and was looking for a little bit more of a dump, hopefully down towards the 750 area, but I was really expecting it when it got to that previous resistance to try it then, and it just was really struggling. So that's why we ended up taking it all off for pretty much a break-even trade. That was our only trade we got today. Really slow. There really wasn't anything. This wasn't even like a good A+ setup, and that's all I got for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Find me on Twitch tomorrow morning, and see you then. Peace.